What's inside a perfect cup of coffee? This is a story of dedication, sustainability, and community. Let's take a journey to the Ecuadorian Amazon to find out who brings this vision to life. It all begins with the people behind the coffee. A perfect cup of coffee from Amazonia involves its flavor, culture, aroma, biodiversity, but most importantly, its people. Meet Doña Vilma, an Amazonian coffee producer cultivating delicious coffee with practices that conserve Ecuador's forests. As part of a local cooperative, her neighbors grow coffee and cocoa, practice sustainable livestock farming, all in ways that help protect the ecosystem and ensure food security. Doña Vilma and her fellow farmers get expert guidance from the Ministries of Environment, Water and Ecological Transition, and the Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock in Ecuador, ensuring their sustainable agricultural practices meet international standards. Together with the Ecuadorian government and UNDP's support, they champion environmental and social safeguards, fostering equitable development for both women and men in their community. Their efforts are monitored on the ground and via satellite images, ensuring their production remains deforestation-free within their farms. Every coffee has a traceability QR code, providing direct information to consumers about its origin. Producers comply with the BPA Plus certification for good agricultural practices granted by the ministries. This certification ensures that forests are being preserved, while also promoting the responsible use of natural resources in agricultural practices. With the Lavazza support, local producers strengthen their skills in coffee brewing, commercialization, and barista training, with women, youth, and indigenous peoples actively participating in training sessions. This collaboration between producers, the government of Ecuador, the private sector, and UNDP is an important step towards recognizing the value of deforestation-free coffee from the Amazon. Responsible consumption of these products improves quality of life, protects our environment and forests, and empowers small producers like Doña Vilma. And there you have it, the perfect cup of coffee. Remember that a forest lives behind each cup. With collaboration, we can continue to ensure Ecuador's coffee provides a taste of sustainability.